Now we discussed right angle triangle. So what about right angle triangle? So see the picture. ABC is a right angle triangle. How can you say ABC is a right angle triangle? Why? Because angle B is exactly 90 degrees. Clear? That means CB perpendicular to AB. So now perpendicular means exactly angle B is 90 degrees. Clear? Now triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now we have to observe that the longest side of a triangle ABC is AC. Clear? AC is the longest side of a triangle. Now then it is called hypotenuse. Clear? So according to Pythagorean theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Clear? That means the square of hypotenuse AC square equals to, clear? The hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Clear? Other two sides are AB and BC. That means the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. That means AB square plus BC square. Clear? That is according to Pythagorean theorem. So once again, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Clear? For example, let it be AB is given to be 5. Let it be. This is 12. Clear? Understood all of you? What is the length of AC? What is the length of AC? Clear? Now we have to find that according to Pythagorean theorem. So AC square equals to AB is how much? 5. 5 square plus BC is how much? 12. The replace BC is 12 square. Now what the value of 5 square is 25. That means 5 square means 5 into 5. It will be 25. Sign is plus. 12 square means 12 into 12. It will be 12 12s are 144. Clear? Now the sum is 25 plus 144, it will be 169. That is 169. Clear? 169 value is AC square. Now AC square equals to how much? 169. 169 can be written as equal roots 13 into 13. Clear? Now AC square equals to 13 square. Clear? Now taking on square roots on both sides. అంటే both sides మనం square roots తీసుకున్నట్లయితే దాని వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. కాబట్టి the square root of AC square equals to the square root of 13 square. Now square is cancelled. Clear? Now square is cancelled. Now it will be AC equals to how much? 13. So this value is 13. Clear? For example, in a right angle triangle, any two sides are given. Then you have to find the third side. Clear? For example, hypotenuse AB is given. AB is given. Now we have to find that BC. Now we have to apply the same process. Clear? For example, AB is given. AC is 13. Now we can write 13 square. AB is given 5 square plus BC square. Then you have to find that BC as the same way. Clear? For example, as the same way, alternative. For example, AC and AB is given. Then you have to find the BC. How? Clear? Now, as the same way, AC is given to be 13. The replace AC is 13 square equals to AB is how much? 5 square plus BC square. Clear? BC square. Now 13 square can be written as 13 into 13. Now 13 13s are 169 equals to 5 square is 25 plus BC square. Clear? Now 169 plus 25 in right hand side. Now 25 transpose to left hand side. So the sign of 25 is plus. So plus 25 transpose to LHS. It will be minus. Now minus 25. Clear? That is equal. On right hand side is BC square. So BC square. Now the value of 169 minus 25. It will be how much? 144 equals to BC square. Clear? Now 144 can be written as two equal factors. So the equal factors means 12 12s are. Clear? Equals to BC square. 12 into 12 can be written as 12 square equals to BC square. Now taking square roots on both sides. Now 12 square equals to root over BC square. Clear? Now square are cancelled. The remaining 12 equals to BC. 12 equals to BC. Therefore, BC equals to how much? 12. Now we can write the value of BC is 12. Clear all of you? Now, at the same way, for example, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Clear? For example, hypotenuse is given to be 10. This is 8. Now we have to find that AB. Clear? According to Pythagorean theorem. What is called Pythagorean theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. That means AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AC is how much? 10 square equals to AB is not given. Now we have to find that AB. AB square plus BC is given to be 8 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. It will be 10 tens are 100. That is equal AB square plus 8 square can be written as 8 into 8. It will be 64. Clear? Now 100 on left hand side. Clear? Now constant term 64 on right hand side. Now plus 64 transpose to LHS. It will be minus 64 equals to AB square already on right hand side is there. Now AB square. Now we have to find that 100 minus 64. It will be 36. Clear? That is equal AB square. Now 36 have two equal factors. What are they? 6 into 6. Clear? So now 36 can be written as 6 into 6. It will be AB square. Now 6 into 6 can be written as 6 square equals to AB square. Now taking square roots on both sides. So it will be 6 square equals to the square root of AB square. Clear? Now square is cancelled. It will be how much? 6 equals to AB. 6 equals to AB. Therefore AB equals to 6. Clear? Now we can write the value of AB is 6. Okay? Now we have to find the trigonometric values. For example, in adjacent diagram, we have to observe that in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Now angle A and angle C are acute angles. Why? Because angle A less than 90 and also angle C is also less than 90. Clear? Why? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి ఆల్రెడీ యాంగిల్ B is 90. 180 ఉండాలి కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు మనకి ఎంత ఉండాలండి? Exactly the sum is must be 90. Clear? So now these are acute angles. Let it be, we can take indication, that is clear. We can take sin A. Sin A. Sin A means sin ante em cheppam manam A is acute angle. Clear? Now sin means opposite side to A. A ni manam ikkada indicate cheskunnam kabatti sin A means opposite side to A. A ki opposite gon side entandi BC. Clear? By hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Clear? That is equal, the value of BC is 8 by AC is 10. That is equal, 8 by 10 means in simplest form 8 and divides exactly 2. Kabatti 2 4s are 2 5s are. Clear? Understood all of you? Now we can take cos A. In this cos A. Cos A means adjacent side to A. Acute angle denote chesam kabatti cos means adjacent side to A by hypotenuse. A ki adjacent side em untundandi? AB. Hypotenuse enti? AC. Now we can write AB by AC. Now the value of AB is 6 by the value of AC is 10. In simplest form of 6 by 10, numerator and denominator divides exactly 2. Ante 2 3s are 2 5s are. Clear? Now, the next one is tan A. The next one is tan A. Tan A అంటే ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం? Opposite side to A, adjacent side to A. That means tan. Tan అంటే ఏంటి? Opposite side to A by adjacent side to A. A కి opposite side ఏంటి మనకి? BC. A కి adjacent side ఏంటి మనకి? AB. Now we can write BC by AB. The value of BC is 8 by the value of AB is 6. That is equal 8 and 6. 8 by 6. The common factor of 8 and 6 is 2. Now 2 4s are, 2 3s are. Clear? Now you have to observe that sine and cos, that's very important concept. So sine and cos ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే 4/5 4/5 means that is less than 1. 3/5 is less than 1. అంటే ఇది మనం సింప్లెస్ట్ చేసినట్లయితే 4/5 అనేది ఈ విధంగా మనం సింప్లెస్ట్ చేసినట్లయితే 0.40. క్లియర్? 5 8s are 40. Clear? 0. That means 0.8. 4/5 means 0.8. That means less than 1. అంటే 0. అనేది ఏంటి మనకి 1 కంటే తక్కువ. కాబట్టి sin is always less than 1. Clear? So then it is also 3/5. Clear? Decimal 30. 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. That means 0.6 less than 1. That means 3/5 value is 0.6. 0.6 means less than 1. అంటే 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంది. కాబట్టి sin theta and cos theta is always less than 1. That means sin and cos maximum value is 1. Clear? That is important concept. Some cases sin and cos value is must be 1. అది ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అనేది నెక్స్ట్ అనే టాపిక్ లో మనం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇది తీసుకున్నట్లయితే tan కి ఆపోజిట్ ఏం చెప్పాము? రెసిప్రోకల్ ఏం చెప్పాము మనం? cot. tan ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటంటే tan రెసిప్రోకల్ cot. కాబట్టి దీనికి మనం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే cot A. ఇక్కడ tan A అనేది ఏం తీసుకున్నాం మనం? A is acute. Tan means opposite side to A by adjacent side to A. Clear? Tan. Now we can take cot. Reciprocal means adjacent side to A by opposite side to A. That means AB by BC. The reciprocal is AB by BC. Now the value of AB is 6 by BC is 8. It will be 3/4. And the same way cos. Clear? The reciprocal of cos is secant. Secant A equals to, cos means adjacent side to A by hypotenuse. Its reciprocal is hypotenuse by adjacent side to A. Clear? Now we can write hypotenuse AC by A is the acute angle. కాబట్టి adjacent side to A, AB. Okay, reciprocal. Now AC value is 10 by 6. 2 5s are, 2 3s are. Clear? Now the reciprocal of cosine. So cosecant A. Now sin A means opposite side to A by hypotenuse. That is sin. Now cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite side to A. Clear? We can write hypotenuse is AC by opposite side to A, BC. That is equal AC value is 10, BC value is 8. It will be 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are. Clear? Now that means the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. The reciprocal of cos is secant. The reciprocal of tan is cot. Clear? ఇక్కడ చూడండి 4/5. దీనికి reciprocal ఏంటి వచ్చిందంటే మనకి 5/4. 3/5 reciprocal ఏంటి 5/3. 4/3 reciprocal ఏంటి మనకి 3/4. Clear? Reciprocal means, for example, 4/5, 5/4. Their product it will be 1. Clear? అంటే ఏంటి 4/5 into 4/5 into reciprocal 5/4 equals to how much? 1. Why? Because 5 ones are 5 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are. It will be 1. What do you observe? Sin A into cosecant A equals to 1. Similarly, cos A into secant A equals to 1. Similarly, tan A into cot A equals to 1. Clear all of you? So, thanking you one and all.